Ms. Roberson, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. So this was, they applied for PTI and were denied. What was the reason for the denial?
Due to prior criminal history out of state,
Any prior DWIs?
out of Louisiana.
How many?
One.
What happened on that case? Ticket time served? You know?
Let me see. Louisiana is tricky in terms of how we can view their criminal history.
Please, please. If she has a prior conviction for DWI, Brock, I'm not doing this. I can't.
From my understanding, Your Honor, it wasn't a DWI, the prior conviction. I think it was something alcohol related, but I don't think it was a DUI or DUI.
I believe we would have to reach out to the agency out in Louisiana to find out what the decision was.
Okay.
You need to
How long do
understand
you-
something, that I take this extremely seriously. And when I have someone who continually picks up DWIs, no more proverbial slaps on the wrist. It's not going to happen. I have the ability to accept or reject a plea bargain agreement. If I reject it, then you will be allowed to withdraw your plea and we can either set up a trial or renegotiate something, but I'm not going to continue to do the same thing in hopes that, well, I hope nothing happens in the future. It's not going to happen. So I guess what we can do is, you want to roll it till Monday, Brock?
It's coming from Dallas. Remember, this is the one that's coming from Dallas, Your Honor. So
Okay, so
I've
I
been
guess
trying to keep her coming back and forth because she's been coming almost every week.
So, Brock,
So
I didn't know this.
and Judge, we're reaching out to Lafayette Powers right now, see if the information everybody just stand out.
Okay, just can you chat me your cell phone? And then
Yes,
I
sir.
can reach out to you when we have something. Please tell me her criminal history as you see it, because I don't understand why the county can't get me a version of criminal history that I can see. It sucks, but I don't understand why I have to rely on others.
She has no history in Harris County for casino judge. And then out of Florida, I see a resisting that, yes, out of Florida, that looks like it was a pretrial aversion. And then out of Louisiana, because all the dispositions are unknown as I say this, the manufacturing of a controlled substance, failure to obey traffic signals, resisting arrest, failure to, open container in a vehicle, operating a vehicle while intoxicated, and battery with police officers. So those are all the things that I see, but I don't know anything about.
So Brock, it
convictions.
looks like the OUI was dismissed, right?
That's right.
Yes.
The operating,
I went to the Lafayette County website on the misdemeanors that I'm able to see, and they all look like they are.